L3, L2. There we go. Atta girl. Crackhead's gonna love you.
That's crazy.
She's doing it like she's doing
Oh,
it for a
pro.
long
That's
time.
right. This is the right one. And then her sacrum is the middle triangular shaped bone right in the middle. We're pushing that straight superior to inferior away from L5. And then L5, straight posterior to anterior in the Z-axis. L4. And just keep breathing. There you go. There's L3. L2. There we go. And just relax and breathe out. Exhale. There you go. Oh yeah. Yeah, these crack addict fans are gonna love you. There we go. Good girl. That's all I got. Maybe one more right here. Yeah. Okay, there it is. I knew it was there. Alright. Perfect. And I bet you this feels less tight than the first one.
Yes.
Yep. Okay, so we're going to get her cervical spine now. Okay. Go ahead and there you go. That's a C3, 4. There's C5. And now I'm going to get all the way down to T1, T2 area. Right there. That'll. And then we're going to move right up into the lumbar spine at L5. Adjust that straight P to A in the Z axis. There's L4. Now some of these will be a little sore at first, Ashley, just because they've been out for a while.
That's okay.
Yeah, okay. There we go. Oh yeah. There we go. Good.
The table's
No,
set.
no, hang on one second. Yeah, I'll put it. Now our legs are even. Tell me if this feels any smoother to you than the first one. See how they stayed even?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
It does.
Yeah, good. And your back wasn't even hurting that bad, was it?
No.
So see, you don't really have to be in pain to benefit from an adjustment. I'm adjusting the curve back forward in her cervical spine now. C3, 4, C5, 6, and now C7 starting to line up. Now her legs are even. They stayed even. So I'm still going to adjust her SI joints first, though. Well, if I pop the right piece, I will. Let's do that again. There we go. There's L5. There's L4. These probably don't hurt as bad as they did when I first started, is it?
No.
Good. Oh yeah, crack addict's gonna love both of y'all. Good. Got one more right here. There we go. Good. Okay. Yep. Yes, ma'am. Spine region. I know a lot of chiropractors do adjust like that, but I don't like it. I don't let chiropractors adjust me like that. Because it always hurts me even more. Especially if you have asymmetrical facets or spondylolisthesis or herniated disc. Just breathe normal for me. There you go. Yeah, see, I knew you'd be a crack addict's favorite. Yeah. That's the girl. Okay. You got a little scar tissue up there in your upper back. Now let's see how our pelvis leveled out. That's alright, legs are even. This should already feel a little easier this time, Emily, than the first one.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So you're gonna feel your head popping up a little bit here now. There. Good. Okay, let's superior to inferior on the y-axis. L5 is straight P to A on the z-axis. There we go. Oh yeah. Boy. Getting a little of that kyphotic curve back in here too. Yes, ma'am. There we go. Good. Turn on your. And we're going to turn straight P to A to L5. I know that was sore. There's L4, L3, L2. Oh, yeah. Crack addict's gonna love you. There we go. Okay. There we go. Good. We're getting ready to post some original Johnson ring dinger compilations, knee chest compilations, cervical Palmer rotary, modified rotary brake compilations, and of course some crack addict compilations for you. So those will be coming up in the coming months, so watch for those. We have a lot of other YouTube channels stealing our videos and putting them up in compilations, so we're going to do our own, so you'll have the original. There. There it is. Okay. You can go feel your head popping up a little on this next one, Michelle. Yeah, it's a little more significant than it looks on the YouTube videos, isn't it? Atta girl. Okay, that right now. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Crack addicts are gonna love you. There we go. I got you. That's it. I still got one more right here. There it is. Okay. I bet you this feels a little easier already than that first one did. Can you tell? Mm-hmm. Okay. Now I'm getting ready to do an adjustment on her that y'all don't see me do that often. I'm going to do a side posture on her SI joints and her sacrum. Okay. There we go. Slide down this way just a tiny bit. And relax that. There we go. Okay. There's L5. There's L4. L3. L2. Okay. Now I want you just to breathe normal and exhale for me. Okay. Yep. That's it. That's it. Yeah, you still got one right there. But let's recheck your leg length now and see you're exactly even now. See the black and the white where it meets is exactly even now. And Raquel, tell me if this feels any easier than the first time I did it.
Yep, a lot.
Yeah, good. So your legs stayed even that way too.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you're gonna feel your head popping up a little bit on this one. That's it. Okay, let's turn you on your back. And the left one. And in the sacrum, which is the middle triangular shaped bone right in the center of the pelvis, I'm adjusting that one superior to inferior on the y-axis, but also straight P to A in the z-axis. That's posterior to anterior for all you perverts out there. There we go. There we go. I think they were taking my P to A conversations and making something different out of them. I'm going to educate the trolls. Legs are even now, and they stayed even. Did that hurt as much or tighten up as much? Okay. Trolls will be trolls. They're just sitting in their mom's basement all day, I guess. And watch them right into your sacrum now. Now, some of these will be a little sore at first. That's normal because they've been out for a long time. So you've had this for over a year now, right?
Yes.
That makes it chronic. There we go. These will be a little sore as I'm adjusting them too because they've slipped backwards, called retrolistesis. I'm going to adjust you on the knee chest for that one. Yes, ma'am. Crack Ass gonna love you too. Couldn't let you get out here without me saying that.
Yeah.
Okay, see, that's even again. And this time it stays even. I bet you that feels easier than the first time.
Yeah.
Can you tell the difference?
Yeah. I felt like my hips even lower. Like it's even.
It's definitely more even right now. I'm gonna feel your head here next. Good. Okay, let's